Today, we would like to discuss this colorful swimming ring. The entire concept is a solar-powered light, which is designed to resemble a flamingo and is crafted in an appealing ring shape for decorative purposes. And yes, I'm very excited about it. I'll take a thorough look at the entire document now, and then of course I will make any necessary edits to improve it later on. It certainly comes across as being very well packaged and thoughtfully prepared. Here are a few more tips. Not the right ones currently. We have this enormous and exciting package rover right here. And let's take a closer look at it right now, I would confidently say. So, a lot of material. We can observe this already. Okay. The innovative technology seems to be effectively in place with solar energy. I'm not sure. There seems to be a battery in here, if I see that correctly, which is already installed. Maybe it's a battery that's being charged. I'm not quite sure yet. And yes, otherwise it's completely normal material. This is the point of inflation. I need to compile everything before we review it together.